Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to change paragraph spacing in Microsoft Word. So click on this design tab and in this right side corner here you will see the setting paragraph spacing. You can select any settings like no paragraph space, compact, tight, open, relaxed and double. So we can see changes here. So select any settings which you need. This is the easy and simple way to change paragraph spacing. Here also you can set custom paragraph space. Click here and here you can increase size from here like this. So thanks for watching guys. Share, like and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.